my purpose here today is to get this car warmed up and keep it warmed up until he actually has to race.
You're gonna learn. Your purpose here is to learn.
I'm learning today. I'm actually registered. My car number is gonna be 60 Alpha Mike.
Oh, that's right. So we gotta figure out how to cover that 3.
So we need to cover this here. Military grade duct tape here.
But it's so old, it's starting to come apart.
Yeah. Delaminate. Ooh. Oh.
What the hell?
Oh shoot, that's old.
What the hell?
Here, I'm gonna start a new.
Damn. I mean, this is at least 2016 at the newest. Because I got this when I was active duty still. Shit. It's gonna pull off my number.
All right, where we going now?
Let's head to the track.
Let's go, walk through, right?
Yeah. Actually, let's stop by the registration trailer again, grab some water.
Yeah, let's get some water.
The reason why I got to this.
Oh, they got little. Oh, these are good.
So, we're gonna be posted up here. When we line up, you don't want to be car straight because immediately you're gonna have to turn, right? So you want to like pull out to the side so the car is already pointed that way. We're trying to look as far as possible as we can. So looks pretty simple here, straight shot. Once we've got here, look at your line. How far do you want to open that wheel? Looks like a relatively easier course for a beginner. So the more speed that you can carry here, the more your top speed is going to be down there. You want to be all the way to the right. And this is another dual cone on the inside. So it's a big sweeper here.
Yeah, this one seems a lot easier to read compared to the ones I saw on YouTube.
Yeah, and there's a lot less cones out.
Yeah.
Some are super crazy with boxes, figure eights, and pin cone turns, they call them. It off already. All right, we are at NCM Border Wars #1 in the turbo flying Miata Fab 9 freshly tuned, and we brought along Robert, his first time ever, and he just got these nice and warm for me for his first one ever autocrossing racing, and his first time ever driving my car. So here we go. what it's capable of. So you can go a little bit harder. But
Yeah.
again, concentrate. You've got to be able to look as far as possible and know the corners before you're coming to them.
Yeah.
So you know which ones to run wide and which ones you have to brake or let off to turn.
I need this caffeine to kick in.
Good. Now straighten it. Yes. Yes, that's good right there. So feather the gas. Novice, novice, Yo, killed that 45 I gave you. Okay.
Gotta wear head socks so I don't get my sweatiness on the helmet. I'm out here with Nate the Great. The only other car that's giving us competition is that one, right?
Yeah, that Civic and probably the yellow Vet.
The yellow Vet?
Yeah,
where's
right
that?
there.
And he's a regular in that yellow Vet right there.
He's good and this car is good.
I didn't think a yellow Vet can be in this time.
I think
38s?
Those are the only guys besides us running in the 30s right now. Everyone
Wow.
else, if you look at the clock, you'll see 39, 40, 41, and he's still going. It's a mini. Little cars, nice and agile,
Yeah.
usually have the advantage.
Yeah.
But you got power and the right downforce like that Vet does. He's got lots of miles
Yeah,
racing, so you
Wow.
never know. You know, maybe.
Oh
this is
shit.
first time.
Let's get back. We gotta get back to it. Let's go, let's go. 57.
I was like, damn, did they move the laser beam?
Right?
All right, so that's ideal. Your goal is to get the fastest, you know, by the end of the day. So that's our last run. We both ran our fastest.
Yep.
So great day at NCM. Car's still good. Next, we got a short break for our lunch, cool down before we got to go work the field. Normally at the end of my runs like this, I go straight up onto the trailer.
Oh, okay.
So it's all set and ready, and we will be all done.
Yeah. Too easy. Whoa. Now time to work the track.
Woohoo! That's how we do. That's autocross.